Good morning, dear parents. A very warm welcome to all the new parents of Ganesh International School. Welcome to Ganesh International School. I have on board my vice principal, the supervisor, and my class teachers. With them, I take this opportunity to welcome you all to this virtual orientation program. It's a small introduction session where we will brief you about the school rules, regulations, and about our working strategies and the support that we need from you parents. It's been an honor for me to be here as a principal of Ganesh International School. My name is Mrs. Agnes Mascarenhas, having a 32 years of experience in a CBSE school, a vast experience of all the classes. I'm a counselor, a teacher, a mother, a guide, a friend to all present here. The school is run by SSV Shikshan Sanstha. The chairman of this society is Mr. S.B. Patil, a proud owner of this organization and a very good human being. Under his able guidance, we all as a team call ourselves as GIS family. And it is not just to say as GIS family, in all the difficulties and problems we all are together. To tell you something about the GIS family, we have a big family. We have many organizations in our feather. We have a state board school in Chinchwad, a CBSE school in Dapodi, a CBSE school in Chikli, a state board school in Chinchwad, a pharmacy college in Chikli, an upcoming architect college in Dapodi. We have Siddhi Education Hub, a banner where we do coaching for competitive exams. We are already into the construction business and doing very well. And this school was started for the minority, Kannada speaking, and we are here on a non-profit organization. I welcome you all to this team, and I give you my assurance that we will support and upbring your children to the best of my knowledge. With a well-qualified team according to the CBSE norms, we do have a senior secondary section. Recently, we have got affiliated. We have a science and commerce stream. We have well-trained teachers, the postgraduate teachers in their own faculty to take care of the subjects. We have had 3 batches for class 10th with 100% results. We believe in education for transformation. That's our motto. And this motto is to transfer the children into best citizens. To tell you a few things about our school. We would be reopening our school from 1st April. The last pandemic year, we have conducted online and offline classes as and when the government gave us permission. We have followed our calendar last year with n number of variety programs and activities on board. We had online classes. Our results are declared. Today is the last phase of results. From 1st April, we'll have a new academic year. We would be interacting with you through the ARP system, which will send you certain circulars, notices, homeworks, attendance through the ARP system. We will be having online classes through Microsoft Teams. You will very soon get your passwords. The class teachers will interact with you. I have my class teachers on board today on this virtual platform. After my talk, they will introduce themselves to you. To tell you a few things about the school, our school children are divided into 4 houses: Sapphire, Ruby, Emerald, and Topaz. We do have n number of activities conducted under the banner of these 4 houses. For the secondary section, we have Jyoti ma'am, the house mentor for Topaz. We have Padma Shri ma'am for Emerald, Mrs. Ashwini for Ruby, and Mr. Avdish Kumar for Sapphire. The primary assistant house mentors for Topaz, we have Madhuri. For Emerald, we have Kanchan Chaudhary. For Ruby, we have Mrs. Snehal. And for Sapphire, we have Mrs. Bhagyashree. The children are divided according to their age. We have certain groups. For class 1, we have a separate group. Class 2 and 3, we have the second group. Then we have fourth and fifth in one group, then 6, 7 in another group, and 8 upwards, the senior group, the junior, middle group, and the pre-primary group. So all the competitions, a big list I have, which you will get it in the diary printed. We start with the PPT presentation and elections. We do have our elections for house mentors and for the house captains, vice captains, head boy and head girl. The elections will be conducted through voting, and we will be declaring the house captains and the vice captains, which we will announce after the elections. The first competition that we have, we'll have the Hindi recitation. We have the prayer service for the class 10 board exams. We have the yoga day, English recitation, football, collage, Ashadi Ekadashi celebration, Guru Purnima, Rangoli competition, Kho-Kho, Independence quiz, senior secondary will celebrate the Raksha Bandhan celebration, Kabaddi, Teachers Day, Ganesh Festival, Hindi Divas, craft competition, cricket competition, Gandhi Jayanti celebration, Rangoli competition. We have the Founders Day, English debate, the Diwali Mela, the table tennis competition, inter-house quiz, skating, annual day, sports day. We will have our National Youth Day and many more to announce. So every second Saturday, we would be having the in-house competitions, which will be house-wise, and the students will be awarded with certificates and medals for their competition. We have our list ready for our academic exams. The assessment pattern is already planned. We have the PA exams, that is periodic assessment number 1 and number 2 in the month of December. Then we have our term exams, midterm exams in September somewhere, and then next to follow in March. So that way we will have 4 assessments, and then you do have on a day-to-day basis, you have assessment done on various parameters. To tell you something, it is on English. We test them for their reading, recitation, writing skills, and various other parameters. For the same way for languages, we'll have Then we'll have multiple assessment, we have art integration, we have multiple assessment, various other assessments that go according to the CBSE pattern. To tell you about the academics, this time the shift is on the art integration and learning through doing. Every chapter, every concept that my teacher will teach will have an activity associated. Or I would rather say it will be practical knowledge. Day-to-day experience will be shared with the children. If we are teaching anything, they will connect their teaching to the day-to-day lifestyle. Day-to-day experience will be given. Hands-on activities on every concept that is taught, whether it is mathematics, it is languages, it is science. A feather in our cap, we do have Sanskrit in our school, and we teach Sanskrit from nursery upwards. We do have Ganda facility in our school, which takes care of the competitive exams and grooming of extra co-curricular activities that are taken care after 3 o'clock. But we do have introduced a new pattern this year that we will be taking preparations for competitive exams from class 6 upwards. We do have exams for scholarship. We do have a separate allotted period for spoken English, general knowledge, art, music, hobby classes. We do divide the children to acquire the knowledge on the skills that they need. To name a few hobby classes, we do have cooking, stitching, debate, literary club, art club, music club, nature club, computer club, and many more to come. We do have the hobby classes even for primary and separately for the secondary. It is here that the children are going to learn skills. Today is the world of skill education. It is not only pen paper test and giving exams for the sake of examination and getting degrees. This pandemic has taught us at certain given emergencies or various serious issues, we must be able to shift from our professional jobs to our hobby jobs, where we would love to learn and earn for our day-to-day activities. We are not preparing our children as citizens of our country, but citizens for the global world. We need to move our children to globalization, to have the knowledge of export, import, and various other fields. Today, we don't restrict ourselves to only the two professions that we know. Renowned professions are engineering and medical. They are no more the top professions today. We have many more professions today because of technology and the world moving ahead. Research, to name many more in the kitty. We do have career counseling sessions where we will be calling experts from various fields to brief our children as to which profession they can go into. Otherwise, when you and I were children, we hardly knew to which course we should join after our class 10. Today, our children are able to know or have exposure to various fields, and they come and tell their parents, I want to do this. And we need to respect the decision that our students have taken. I would like to tell you that we do have PTM systems. Every Saturday, you will have the opportunity to meet the class teacher. Right now, the classes will be online, but my secondary children would be coming to school as and when the management or the government permits us. But for the month of April, we will be having online classes and then a short summer break, and we resume our classes from June. You will be getting passwords for the Microsoft team, and we will be starting our online classes for the month of April. We do have our board exams this year in the month of May, and some of my teachers would be busy with invigilation and paper evaluation for class 10th board. They have been doing this for the last 2 years. We do have sports as a priority. They will be having physical education periods every day. And we will focus on 10 games for this year: tennis, cricket, kabaddi, basketball, carom, chess, football, volleyball. We do have a special coach for skating, Malcolm, and many more games added to our kitty. We do have to take care of the physical fitness of our child, the mental fitness of our child, and then comes later on the academic performance. If a child is fit physically and mentally, of course, naturally, he will do well in his academics. I would only like to request the parents from this platform to see that they are regular in whatever the teachers are telling them. The regularity matters a lot, not the IQ. If you're disciplined and you perform your activities on time with the help of my teachers, I'm sure your children will do very well in the future. Please do not wait for PTMs. Please do not wait to tell something that has gone wrong after it is over. You need to tell us immediately if you need our support and help. I would be ensuring one buddy partner. For them, the school is new. So once they know their class, I will give you the phone number of a buddy parent or a buddy child. Suppose, for example, your child has taken admission in class 3. I will share you one of his classmates' number with the kind permission of my parents, where you can always interact with that child and get to know about the school. The child later on when he comes to school also will be made comfortable with the help of this buddy partner, so that he's friendly, he is comfortable, and he knows what to do and he's not lost. He will have a mentor within his age limit. Of course, we as the principal, teachers, the management, the support staff, everybody is there for that child. But sometimes it takes time to get adjusted to the new atmosphere. And feel free to meet any one of us here. I have the vice principal who is in charge of the primary section, and I have a supervisor who takes care of the secondary section. I would take this opportunity right now to introduce my vice principal, Mrs. Priya Nevale. I have the class teachers here, Ms. Yogita for first standard, Ms. Pooja for second standard, Mrs. Madhuri for third standard, Mrs. Snehal for fourth standard, Bhagyashree ma'am for fifth standard. I have admissions only up to the primary. I don't admit anybody in the secondary section. We don't admit students in the secondary section. Because we believe that it's a CBSE school and it would be difficult for the children to cope up with the CBSE curriculum. But we do have one admission in class 7 and the class teacher for class 7 is Mrs. Padmashri. So I would request Priya ma'am to introduce herself. Priya ma'am, you're not audible. Unmute yourself.
Yes. Okay, ma'am. Very good morning. Thank you, ma'am, for giving me an opportunity to speak with the parents. Very good morning, all the parents. I'm Mrs. Priya Nevade, Vice Principal of Ganesh International School. Welcome all the parents. And we assured you with your support and with all our GIS staff support, we will make our children future very bright. So thank you and welcome once again in our school. Thank you, ma'am.
May I request Yogita ma'am to unmute herself if she's there? Yes, Yogita ma'am, you could introduce yourself.
Yes. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ma'am, and other
Good
staff
morning.
member and other staff members. I would like to congratulate one and all because we have achieved a landmark of success in previous academic year, and now we are ready to achieve a further landmark of success for current academic year. We assure you to focus on individual progress to facilitate the better learning experience to the each and every child. I'm always ready to help you out. You can always come with your doubts and queries, and you can always ready to contact me. Thank you and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am, for this assurance. Yes, every child is given importance and we are here for it. If it's not done, you could always approach us. Our next teacher is Pooja ma'am. Could you introduce yourself?
Yes. Good morning, everyone. I'm Pooja Bhosle, class teacher of second class. A warm welcome you to in our GIS family. Okay. We will try to develop your child. Thank you.
Thank you, Pooja ma'am. We have Madhuri ma'am on board, class teacher of class 3. Madhuri ma'am, could you introduce yourself? Unmute yourself.
Yes, good morning to all. Myself, Mrs. Madhuri Evle. I welcome you all. My qualifications are I am BSc DTR and I have 9 years experience. This is my 10th year in GIS family and I am the class teacher of standard 3rd. I will teach you maths and science. Whenever you will have doubt, you can free to call me. I will help you anytime. Thank you.
Thank you, Madhuri ma'am. We have Mrs. Nehal, class teacher of class 4. Could be there is some connectivity problem. We will be making groups for every class and the class teachers will add you and share you their numbers and get yourselves introduced. Our next class teacher is Bhageshri ma'am for class 5. This is Bhageshri Suryavanshi.
Yes.
Bhageshri, could you introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning to all of you. Myself, Bhagyashri Suryavanshi. I am a class teacher of 5th standard. I will teach you maths subject. Anytime you will call me. Or welcome to all our GIS family. Thank you.
Thank you, Bhageshri ma'am. We have one 7th standard student, so I would request Padmashri ma'am to introduce herself. Padma
Good
Shri.
morning. Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, all the parents and new students.
Good
I would,
morning.
I would like to welcome you all in our GS family. And myself, Padma Shri Pagar. I will be class teacher of 7th standard and teaching them social science. Um, as just now, ma'am told that we will develop the students not only through the books but by all the activities we are conducting throughout the year. So I think students will have the knowledge of book from books also and throughout the activities also. So we are trying to make the children not only in studies perfect in the studies, but they will face the challenges in their life also through this learning of different or participating in the different activities. So yes, we are there, always help you, and it will be nice experience for them also. And I will assure the parents also that they have taken good decision to put their children in Ganesh International School. Welcome you all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Dear parents, if you have any queries, I'm there to answer your queries. You're most welcome. Your books and uniform, where you can procure, the admin staff will tell you. We have our vendors. The school does not supply books and uniforms. So you will get the phone numbers of the vendors and you can buy the books and uniforms from those vendors. Um, we will be sending you the house into which house we have distributed your children. We will send you the class teachers' phone numbers. We will add you in the class groups. We will send you the scheduled timetable. We do have class meetings on the 31st, where again the entire team, all the class students can be introduced. We will have a series of PTMs on 31st, where you will be briefed about the timetable and various other things. That's all from my side. But if any parent wants to ask me anything, I'm there to answer. Feel free to meet the admin staff anytime. You can call them up. You do have my official numbers of the admin. And have a nice day, parents. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Madam, it is compulsory to buy uniform because trials are online. Then it is compulsory to buy uniform and other shoes वगैरह.
In the month of June, you'll have to do that, sir.
Okay.
If not now, in the
Okay.
month of June, we will have offline school. Till that time, I think so the country should complete the vaccination
Yeah.
and hoping to have my children in school by June. If not now,
Okay.
you have to do it in June.
Okay. And when summer break is start?
I'll get back to you, but it will be in the month of May.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
मॅडम फोर्थ स्टँडर्डच्या टीचर कोणत्या आहे ते विचारायचं होतं आम्हाला. तुम्ही सांगितलं तेव्हा नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लेम मुळे आम्हाला काहीच दिसलं नाही ना काहीच ऐकू आलं नाही.
स्नेहल मॅडम आहे. मी तुम्हाला त्यांचा फोन नंबर देते, नंतर तुम्ही बोलू शकता त्यांच्याकडे. ठीक आहे.
ओके ओके. स्नेहल.
स्नेहल देवके.
ओके ओके. थँक्यू.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hi, ma'am. On which date school will be started in April?
1st April, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
I want to ask that who is the teacher of first standard?
Mrs. Yogita Pawar.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, dear parents. If you have any queries, you can always contact the admin staff, the vice principal, the supervisor. They will always answer your queries, and I am, of course, always there for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.